Hi there, my name is Amanda, and today we're going to go over how to combine like terms. This is one of those skills that makes algebra so much easier once you get the hang of it, and I'm going to walk you through step by step using easy, accessible language. So hopefully it'll help something click, and you will see that it's not too bad once you get the hang of it. 7 and 10, could we combine those? Yes, because they're just two whole numbers. It's just like a normal math problem. What could we not combine? Let's do no in red. A non-example would be like 7 and 7, where you think, oh, we could combine 7 and 7. Dun, dun, dun. Not if there's an x. 7x is not the same as 7. So these are the no. Do not do that. All right, what does this mean? Variables only match when they have the same variable and exponent. Okay. Let's look at an example of that. We could do 3x and 3x. Those could be combined because they're the same. They both have x, x. What about, we'll do 2a to the second power. And we could do a 6a to the second power. Those can also be combined. Do you see the pattern here? Let's look at our no's. So our no, we couldn't do, let's say we have 2b and we have 2a. So some may think, oh, we have a 2 and a 2. Why can't those be combined? Well, the b and the a are not the same, so these are a no. We could not combine those. Another no example that can be somewhat tricky. What if we have a 3x? And what if we have a 4x to the second power? You'd think, ooh, both have x's. No, dun, dun, dun. We need our exponents to match. So these go in the no pile. We can't match an x with an x to the second power. So get out of here. All right. So let's do some examples together here. 3a plus 4a. So first things first, can we combine them? Yes, we can. These are like terms. We have 3a's and 4a's, so all we have to do is add 3 plus 4. We have 7a's. All right, easy. That one's done. Let's try this one. 7y minus 3y plus 2. Okay, our first step is, let's look. What could we combine? Ooh, we have a 7y. And this is a part that is kind of tricky too. When we are combining, you're going to grab the 3y. You have to make sure to get this negative sign in front of it. So any symbol in front of the number, grab that. And then our 2, well, we know we'll just bring our 2 down because there's nothing to combine it with. So 7 minus 3, 4y. So see what we did here with our symbols. The symbol, the plus sign, just came right down. This subtraction sign was how we solved this. So that's part of the part that can get a little tricky on there. So let's try another one here that has the same setup. 3x minus 4 plus x. Okay, so what can we combine? Our x's. So when we grab this x, see how I'm grabbing the plus sign in front of it? Make sure to grab that. And then we'll grab this 3x. Oh, but Amanda, there is no number in front of this x, you say. Well, what I say to you is, this is called an invisible one. I'm not writing that out. I was too ambitious. Invisible one. So anytime you see something like this without a number in front of it, it's just assume it's a 1. So if the x is by itself, has an invisible 1. If it was 2, it would say 2x. So anytime it's just a number by itself, invisible 1. So 3 plus 1, we have our 4x. And then what do we have here? So see how we didn't circle this part? A subtraction sign and a 4. We'll just drag that right on down. Ta-da! So there's the answer for that. Let's take a look at these here. And let's see if we can combine them. 17a and 17b. Yes or no? No. Why is that? A, B. They have different variables. Let's look at this. 4 and 8. Yes or no? Yes. They are both constants. 3x and x. Yes or no? Yes. Same variable and exponent. -10 and 2. Yes, both constants. So let's try some that can be a little more confusing. So let's do k to the third power and k to the fourth power. You would maybe think, oh, I see two k's, but no, these are different. It has different exponents, so those cannot be combined. Same with if it was m to the second, m to the third. No. What could we do? We could do m to the second and 6 m to the second. That would be a yes. All right, let's try out a problem here. Let's do 7m minus 5m minus 6. Okay, what did we learn? We learned to circle this and circle this with our sign in front. Always remember to get the symbol in front. So we're going to combine these two. 7m minus 5m, that gives us 2m's. And then we just bring this down. Remember, bring down the symbol and the number. 2m minus 6. Wonderful. Let's try another one here. How about let's try 5x to the second power minus 4 plus 7x to the second power. So what have we learned? What are we going to combine? Ooh, that's right. We're going to get our 5x to the second power. And we'll combine that with our 7x to the second power, making sure to grab that plus sign. So let's combine these. Since we grabbed our addition sign, we know we can add them. So we'll add 5x to the second plus 7x to the second will give us 12x to the second power. And what do we have left right here? Our 4 with the subtraction sign. So we'll just bring that back down here. There you go. Okay, let's look at our next problem here. So what can we combine? Well, right off the bat, we see our 2xy and 7xy. So as we remember, we're going to grab this with that subtraction sign in front. So that means we're going to do the same thing here. Grab this 2xy with our addition sign. So we know we can combine those. Let's take a look. What else do we have that we can combine? Oh, looks like this is separate. And it looks like this is separate. Ooh, but we gotta remember that plus sign. I almost forgot it. All right, so Let's see, what are we going to do? We're going to pull everything down. So this, we're not combining with anything. So we know this goes right here. Easy breezy. Then what do we have here? Ooh, we need to combine those. So let's look. We have 2xy minus 7xy. Oh, so that's going to get us in negative number territory because the 2 comes before. So that will give us a negative fx y. We got those, we got that. That leaves us with this. We just pull it on down with that plus sign, plus 4y2. Nicely done. You got this. Okay, let's take a look at our next problem here. 7p plus 3 minus 3p minus 2p plus 8. Oh, now we are experts. What is our first step? We're going to combine like terms. All right, so we have 7p. Let's see if 7p has any friends here. Oh, well, you look at that. 3p. Look what I grabbed with the 3p. And 2p. Again, look what I grabbed with the 2p and the 3p. Always remember to grab those or it's going to make your math problem a whole different thing. All right, so, oh, it looks like we have two others we can combine. We have our plus 3. We have our plus 8. Very good. So let's write this out so we can see it more clear. So we'll put all our p's together. So see how I'm bringing it down with the subtraction symbol? And we'll bring this one down with the subtraction symbol. And then now we're going to bring this one down with our addition symbol. So it's part of the number here. We'll bring this one down with that plus sign. Okay, this way we can keep it in order and know what we're going to do next. So let's get our p's together. Ooh, okay, so 7p minus 3p minus 2p minus 2 p's, 2 p's. I don't know why I did that. I thought that would help, but we're just subtracting. All right, so we have 2p. And then we know it's going to be an addition, so we're going to bring our plus sign down right here and add 3 plus 8. We combine those, and we get 11. So the answer is 2p plus 11. So you just took this huge, long math problem and turned it into this nice, concise, combined terms. Terms, like terms have been combined. You did fantastic. That is it for today's lesson on combining like terms. I really hope this made this a little bit easier and clearer for you. If you found this video useful, please give this a like or subscribe to the channel so I know that you like these kind of videos and I will make more of them. So keep practicing and I will see you next time. Bye.